Hey there. If you're looking to seriously boost your website's ranking on Google and other search engines, then you've come to the right place. I've been a buyer on Fiverr for 14 years, and I've personally reviewed hundreds of freelancers. Today, I'm sharing my top 3 PRO Fiverr freelancers that consistently deliver high-quality SEO services. These pros have helped me and many others achieve massive success online. Top 3 Fiverr SEO freelancers. Number 3. Jamie Oaksiogai. Jamie will be providing a monthly UK SEO service, top-up link building. He has completed over 10,000 orders, and his SEO services start at $95, but I recommend standard package for faster results. In the video description, you'll find a link to his most relevant gig. Number 2. Randy M. Next, we have Randy M. at number 2. Randy is a full-stack digital marketer ex-Googler. He will build a relevant and high domain authority SEO backlink. You can find his most popular gig in the video description. Number 1. Anna SEO. And finally, my number 1 pick, the pro that has helped thousands of clients improve their rankings, is Anna SEO. With over a decade of experience and more than 21,000 completed orders, Anna is the queen of SEO and link building. Her proven strategies have skyrocketed countless websites to the top of search engine results, and she's always ahead of the latest SEO trends. If you're serious about boosting your online presence, Anna's service is unbeatable. To order a 30-day campaign from Anna SEO, click on the link in the video description. I highly recommend the Extreme SEO Backlinks campaign. So there you have it. These are my top 3 Fiverr PRO SEO services that can make a huge difference for your website's ranking. I've worked with all of them, and I can personally vouch for their skills, professionalism, and results. Choose a gig for your website, and if you haven't created a free Fiverr Pro account yet, you'll find the sign-up link below. Like and subscribe for more.